Now the government has the FDA working against us. They decided that Sudafed and all these other drugs that have decongestant in them, they don't work. So this is the way that they're going to use to make sure that they can pull it off the shelves just in time for cold and flu season. And that way you go get the vaccine. Because the last booster they put out, only 17% of the population went and got it. So they see the numbers decreasing big time. So now they're going to make sure that you get scared and you go out and get it because there is no decongestant you can use otherwise. It's disgusting. Go buy it while you can.